Top 11 Winter Vocabulary in Japanese. Frost 霜 Snow 雪 Snowman 雪だるま Bonfire 焚き火 Humidifier 加湿器 Gloves 手袋 Scarf マフラー Sweater セーター Hot water bottle 湯たんぽ Heater 暖房 こたつ is a heating table covered with a blanket. こたつ Great! Review. Please repeat after me. Frost 霜 Good. Snow 雪 Good. Snowman 雪だるま Good. Bonfire 焚き火 Good. Humidifier 加湿器 Good. Gloves 手袋 Good. Scarf マフラー Good. Sweater セーター Good. Hot water bottle 湯たんぽ Good. Heater 暖房 Good. こたつ Good. Great! Let's check how many words do you remember. Quick quiz. Number 1. Which one means snow in Japanese? A. 霜 B. 雪 C. 手袋 The answer is B. 雪 Number 2. Which one means bonfire in Japanese? A. 暖房 B. 湯たんぽ C. 焚き火 The answer is C. 焚き火 Number 3. Which one means sweater in Japanese? A. マフラー B. セーター C. こたつ The answer is B. セーター Great! Today we've learned top 11 winter vocabularies in Japanese. Fantastic progress! Hope you find them useful. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the 動画が面白かったら、グッドボタン、チャンネル登録よろしくお願いします。See you next video! またねー